What's going on, guys? It's Justin Sprinkle with Most Won't, We Will, and listen. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $600 per day with this done-for-you side hustle, okay? Now, really quick, I want to just briefly tell you this. There's a lot of these videos out there. I see them like all the time, and they're awesome, they're valuable, but listen, most of the time what they're going to do is leave you lost. And a lot of times they're just giving you a concept. They're not giving you their actual experience. Like they kind of figured it out. They were like, "Oh, hey, listen, guys, you could go dog walking, and this dog walker is willing to pay you $100 an hour or something, right?" And then you think, "Oh, okay, cool. I'm going to be able to go out there and I'm going to be making like thousands of dollars a week, walking dogs." I'm not saying you can't, but it's like they haven't actually experienced it, right? I'd rather learn from somebody that's actually doing this and actually making the income. And I just want to kind of share with you. Now, listen, those are valuable videos, and I'm not gonna like knock them because there are some really, really cool videos that I even kind of like to like just watch and say, oh, okay, that's a awesome little tip. I didn't ever think about it. But I really wanted to make this video to actually show you that there's actually people out here making $600, $300 a day with this done for you side hustle. So, anyways, here we go. Another reason why I wanted to make this video is because the other ones out there about side hustles, they generally take way too much time. And we have cracked the code in the 2 hour workflow, and I'm really grateful for it. And so I want to give it to you today. So my agenda today is just to show you the done for you digital products. And I'm going to tell you why we have digital products. I want to show you the automated system we use. The automated system is what helps leverage a 2 hour workflow. Also, I want to show you how you can generate daily sales, which is also the tools that we use to help you to leverage your 2 hour workflow. Because if you got a side hustle, as they call it, right? You know what I mean? You probably don't want to spend all day on it. You want to just hurry up and make some money, okay? And obviously this works because we have Rachel right here who made 19,000 in just 3 weeks. And here's some of my own results as well. I had a $900 day and $3,600 in just less than a week. So if you do the math, I mean, think about that. It goes right there. So anyway, so why these products? Well, because they're already done for you. That's why we keep saying done for you. All right. And I'm going to kind of break these digital products down. But one, they're in the e-learning space. And I've made constant videos about this. If you look at e-learning industry worth, this has actually just changed recently. If you go back and watch some of my old videos, okay, not only did it hit 198 billion in 2022, the industry did, right? Well, then they're saying now that it's going to hit 602,000 or 602 billion by 2030. And actually, I've even seen this go up. See, look right here, even goes up to 848 billion. Some people are projecting it. So what I'm saying is it's on a rise. It's on an all-time rise. So you want to get definitely in something that you know is out there selling, okay? Also, we wanted to go the digital route. Obviously, it's 2023. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get digital. I mean, I'm not saying that actual products are not good by themselves, but the digital world is so cool because you don't have to keep any stock. You don't have to worry about shipping it. Okay. Why these digital products too? Because they're affordable prices. They're anywhere from $50 to $600. Okay, which is pretty much affordable for anybody. The skills that you can serve. This is where a lot of people do not understand. Okay, like you know what I mean. This is more than just trying to make some money. I mean, right here, look at this. Not only do you get like all this marketing, knowledge and everything and education that you wouldn't pretty much get anywhere else, but look, how to become a professional content creator. And look, 10K selling your own digital product. So once you get good at selling these done for you digital products, you can go and work on yours and then create your own digital product for passive income. Now, you might say, well, Justin, why wouldn't I just start with my own product to begin with? Because right here, this last proof of concept, these products already sell. They've been proven to sell. As you can see, it's already been proven. It's already done. We know these are hot. We know these work. That's what I'm getting at. If you ain't created your own product, I'm proud of you. I want you to do that. I support you. But then you got to go out there and you got to make sure that you make a product that is actually going to sell for people and is actually solving a problem for people. And I know you have some expertise inside of you, but it's like, why not earn while you're learning, right? How to set up your own products so you can go off and market as well. That's all I'm trying to get at. If you want to go take off and do your own thing, cool. If not, why don't you earn while you're learning? All right. Now, why an automated system? Guys, because we use a lot of short form content. We use a lot of short form content because short form content just basically helps you one, it's very democratic. So you don't have to be some Instagram, 100,000 follower influencer or whatever. You know what I mean? And you can still go out there and get in front of people, which is awesome. But number two, short form content doesn't really do as much as you want it to do, right? People get to see you, they get to see how you act and everything, but they don't really get to know you because these are like little 30-second, 60-second videos that they're still trying to figure you out. So you definitely want to get them on an email list so they can get to know, like, and trust you and trust your product and things of that nature. And that's exactly what we do. We teach you how to get to build the know, like, and trust factor of you so they'll feel comfortable to buy the digital product from you. Does that make sense? Now, we use a particular one. I've also brought this up in other programs, but Systeme, I guess that's how you say it, Systeme.io. Why do we do this, or why do we use this one? Listen, if you're kind of like balling on a budget or you're an entrepreneur, you probably don't want a lot of expenses going out the door. You want to hold off on your expenses. So check this out. It's literally free up to 2,500 subscribers, which is awesome. Like, seriously, it's free up until 2,500 subscribers. You can be making money before you actually have to pay anything. It already has an autoresponder built in. What is an autoresponder? Basically, if somebody joins your email list, these are the emails that automatically go out. And we actually, if you were looking into actually doing this for a side hustle, we actually give you share codes that all you got to do is just click on the share code and all these emails will be in your back office for you. So you don't even have to set up the emails. You don't have to think. You don't even have to set up this funnel. We have that set up for you too. All you got to do is change out our links with your links and you're good to go. That's it. Okay. Like I said, you always have to build an email list. That way they get to know and like and trust you. But once again, if we're going to master a real side hustle within a 2-hour workflow, we need something that's out there working for us. Autoresponders, emails, they're out there generating income for you because they're automatically going out without you having to do anything. It's like having an employee work for you without having to pay him. You see what I'm saying? So you definitely want to leverage tools, all right? Now, what is this actual 2-hour workflow? It's actually changed just a little bit. I'm going to tweak it. And the reason why is because some people are having hard times with TikTok nowadays, but they're blowing up on Instagram. So I'm going to give you a few different options, okay? And seriously, these work, all right? So we spend about 30 minutes posting ads on classified websites. We actually teach you how to do that. We actually come with a community of training. And in this training, okay, if you decide to do what we, do, look at this. We have a 90-day event. Look, today this one was done by me, so I'll give you, but look, every day we literally give you a video on exactly what to do for the day, okay? But anyways, if we go back into the classroom right here, copy and paste ads, you get this actual training. And there's 69 websites that you can be posting on without ever having to show your face, talking to anybody or anything like that. But you only want to spend about 30 minutes there, okay? The rest, the bulk of your time is going to be about an hour creating either TikToks or Instagram. And look, there's two ways that TikToks are doing good right now, and usually long format right now on TikTok is very, very hot, okay? And the two videos that I really push for people is how to do something, but then how you did something. Like, start telling your story. You guys don't really understand, right? When you give just your value, that's what, one, separates you from the crowd, but number two, it's like people are intrigued, right? Because if I'm like, hey, listen, this is how you need to be making $1 million, but I haven't made $1 million yet, it doesn't even make sense. But if I said, hey, listen, this is how I'm making $300, $600, you're kind of giving into it because you're like, okay, well, how is he doing that, right? And you kind of believe me because all I'm doing is just saying how I did it. I'm not trying to force my opinion on you. I'm not telling you what you should be doing. I'm just kind of giving you my story. What I'm really getting at, and I just said the magic word, is just telling your story, your value, your opinion about it. Why are you doing it? Like, one of the best things that you can do is have a hook, your story, give some education, inspiration, and then have a call to action. What do I mean? Hook, right? I could say how I run my business in just 2 hours, right? And then, okay, my story. When I first started a side hustle, I knew because I had kids and I worked a full-time job that I didn't really want to go out there working another 4 or 5 hours a day. So I was really intrigued by this side hustle that I can do it within 2 hours. Now I want to educate. In those 2 hours, I'm making videos like this and I'm selling done for you digital products. I didn't have to create these products and these videos are playing for me 24/7. Okay, now call to action. If you would like to learn our proven blueprint so you can do the same, type yes now in the comments or go to my link. Do you see how easy that was? I just made that video up on the fly. Okay, but that's it. That's the magic formula. Do a call to action. Have a hook, right? The opening, your little story within it, the education or inspiration, like what you found, and then the call to action. It's very simple. Now, right now, if you don't want to do TikTok as much, you can go on Instagram Reels. Look, 5 to 2 videos with text on the screen from Instagram is popping right now. A girl went from 0 to 100,000 followers like that. And here's the cool thing about Instagram. You can be selling in the stories, which makes it even a little bit better than TikTok if you're willing to go ahead and do that, okay? Now, the other 30 minutes, I recommend going live on TikTok if you can, because TikTok is one of the best live platforms because it doesn't go out to just your followers. It goes to random strays too, compared to like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. If you go live, it's only for your followers or your subscribers. You go live on TikTok, it goes to everybody, which is cool. If you don't have that capability, then what you can do is take those videos, download them from Instagram or download them from TikTok and share them to other platforms like Clapper, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. You can do that. In fact, I was really using Facebook and YouTube Shorts like clockwork, and that's how I was making my money. So when I first started, right, I was doing TikToks, downloading them, putting them on Facebook, putting them on YouTube Shorts, and there you go. All right. So that's all you got to do. Like I said, make those kinds of videos and get out there. Now, if you do need help with this and you want to learn a little bit more about these products or how you can start this side hustle for yourself, and you want to get involved with a community of six-figure earners that are actually doing this and not just kind of making a video to be making a video, they're actually doing this, then look, click the link below and learn about our proven blueprint, and I'll see you on the inside, okay?